It is the 16th of December, and today we have a real treat for you. You have just unboxed the La Distillerie de Monaco Gin aux Agrumes. Please pardon my French, quite literally. This is such a firm favorite of all of our members. It is made in sunny Monaco using oranges that were plucked off the streets of Monte Carlo, and it is a delicious citrusy burst of sunshine. And we are going to do it real justice with a beautiful gin and tonic. So, of course, I have got my Craft Gin Club Copa glass. If you're making a G&T, it's your G&T, so use whatever glass you like. We love this one because it's beautiful, but also it gives us lots of room for lovely garnishes, and we can really get the aromas of our gin and tonic. So fill this with ice. I always say the more ice, the merrier. That's going to keep your drink really cold and mean that it doesn't get watered down as quickly. So here we go. Pack that puppy with ice. And I love a double G&T, so that is my perfect G&T. So I'm going to go in with all 50 milliliters of my beautiful Gin aux Agrumes, which I believe means orange in French. Please correct me if I am wrong. And we have paired this perfectly with Artisan Amalfi Lime Tonic. Artisan is consistently voted our members' favorites, and we love this pairing. So citrusy and bright, and look at that fizz. Oh, gorgeous. Now I'm going to add one more citrus element to this G&T, and that is dried orange garnish. We have these on our shop, and they are amazing because they're super, super easy and they last forever. Not literally, but quite a long time. So pop a bag on your bar cart and you have a G&T whenever you want one. Cheers!